get this adjusted. Let's put in a little bit of paint job just to make it look pretty. What we'll do first though is we shall extend these lights back. So in face mode, select them, Control plus to expand the selection. Oops. And if we just drag them back, I think they need to be straight. So could we get away with doing a scale Y0? Of course they need those lenses over the top and then the light behind. So let's not get too technical with the paint though. Let's just put a flat black or a gloss black. We'll see which looks best. Right, so if we go into viewport shading, we'll turn off end for now. Right, if you can also activate if you don't have already. What was it called? Material utilities. If you just take that one. Right, so highlight anything basically. Click on material properties, click new. Highlight the name, call it, put the colour first, so groups them all together, and call it gloss. Click the base colour, make it a deep black. Alright, also if it's going to be, it's pretty much lit up by the sky. As you can see, it's like a bright blue sky. We'll not make it dirty or anything just yet, just to give us something to look at as we work. Yeah, very low roughness, and specular looks quite low also. Right, so roughness is at 5 there. If it was a glossy coat, would put a clear coat on, but since it's not, how about roughness up to 0.7? Dulls it down a bit. Tell you what though, press A for all, right click, go to material utilities, assign material, black gloss. There we go. That assigns everything at the same time. How it's specular. In fact, the higher that is, the more effect it has. It doesn't work in reverse like roughness. So drop that down. Hang on, this is called gloss, not dull. Let's try roughness at maybe 0.2. Ooh. Yeah, it looks quite nice. How about 0.1? Fully reflective. Oh, too much. 0.1. Now if we adjust the specularity, we'll leave that at 0.3. I think that's too shiny to be fair, but 0.7 on spec. Yellow. Spec yellow. Try 0.1 again on. It's too much. That's highlighting that there now, isn't it? So I might need to do a bit of work on here again to pull it out a little bit. How about these? World. Oh, we don't have a world map in there yet, so what we could do is drop into shading and go to object, change to world, background, just delete that, do a shift A, click on the search bar and type environment, there we go, dump that in with that highlighted, just press Ctrl T, I'll add the mapping, plug that into surface and open. I've got some HDRIs already, kind of want to match the image you have, so how about that one? Transparent. Oh, it didn't work. Oh, it only works on that one, doesn't it? I feel like this is too far out now. Creating some weird artifacts. Although if it's dull, bit of a cheat, you won't see it. Plus post-apocalyptic world. Could be a dent there, couldn't it? Or a dent. Yeah, I think we'll just leave it like that a sec. And then see if that grabs anybody's attention. Might be too shiny, mightn't it? Try 0.5 again. Huge difference that makes, mine, isn't it? Drop the specularity a bit. We could faff with this for days and days. Just put that by 0.5. There we go, that'll do for now, I suppose. Okay, Control S. At least those paint jobs are there for next time, you see, so we can keep flicking back to that as we add extra objects to it. Of course, like I say, the glass will be added over the top of this, and the light itself will be inserted in there also. So, where next? Do you want to decide where we'll go next? I think we need to cut that line for the bonnet, for the hood, sorry. What we've got left, we could do handles, do the fuel cap, could put the fence on. Oh, we could put the spoilers on. Actually, the spoilers might look good, mightn't they? How about a vote below? Spoilers or extras like door handles, the vent and the fuel cap. So up to you. Control S to save. I'll catch you in the next one.